Thank you, Oza James. Mathang say, Oza Hum Gisu, more tentek na hetare. Mayam si question hangatu mayam su lebenina. Pakum su short and sweet hetare. To the point and ten thambina ba. I was a lot of the same question. The health amadi minorities in Gidamakta Karito, we I have a sit.
I Doctor Amawena health kimatang sida in a panjage. To me, Hojiki infrastructure has not like the Beta Makta, Manipur, the health services, Yamna surely. Madabu, I had na Doctor Amawena. Are infrastructure to the service, Lady Bamuising to the Matikcha and a PB bra, Habisi, I give question a chowpuni. Maduna, Marwana health person, doctor waro, nurse waro, Natraga paramedicals waro, Lady Bamuising, Masiki service, Masiki tabaksi, human service ni Habisi Kanda dana. Hector, Agis Hebata without topani and a duty amawana lauru bamatamda, Masiyamna, a short black brenna a kanje. A wiggy mapum atay emergency service ki lak pamatamda, Yamna meaning I by the calendar, Heck junction bamatam, the Mayam, Hector Yomshilaga Karidakale, Pisitaroga, service yam, a two bamatamada, Nanghali, she got up a pibum the day can be Bahapsiamna Panje. Adubo, a quiggy Manipur, pibum citadi, quite a gap of institution. RIMS, Nataraga Jenims, Mashida emergency service the pushing Bamatamda, Doctor Tibada Maduna Taba Moy, Nurse Tibada Maduna Taba Moy, Hidak Tibada Maduna Taba Moy, Institute emergency drugs, Amatale Bidaba, emergency Chatlaga Laurona pharmacy, the chain duna lading either Anabado, the minor lake, the Bahapsi Cameron, Aquina thing Japanese. Maduki the Makta, Aquigi service providers in Na, Aquigi. Attitude chip habisima the carta rabanina. Madugida Maktakarigumba Aquina ethics, since Pajana Kangbi the Batara Gadi, Madugida Sarkarna Kari Taure Haraga ethical issues Mayamashi health service providers in the Pibasi Matikchana, Tambi Batak Piba, Natraga, alertness, awareness, Piba, Amuka Hanjan Hanjan Piba Sida Kartapani. Madu Degi minorities ki matang the Toina Hining Electra, Yam Nachumi. Minorities have even outer Manipur the Maitei Kapangan, as well the outer Manipur the constituency Nipan issue, minority pibum the Tamabani. Moving on the voting right the Piraga elected person among a Changaga Noigi voice to Pukatke Habigi right P the Basi, Masi Yamna exploit the people Mamada lay. Maduki the Makta Masigi Mapamsi Aquinas saying Dr. Patapani, Masi saying Dr. Rapati. Minority ni hana laijaba kambuduna deciding factor oratana majority ni hana lairiba nagasing oiro natra Kukijin group oiro moi kampu sibu marak changa hanaraga divide and rule ki pibam su lakpanina masigum basi lauthok dragadi akoi da intatap thaba chanti habisu lairo habig damakta masigi pibam masisu sillaga sendokpa habisi ta mathau ta bani.
Okay, Oza Loro, thank you. Madam Oza Asang Balaki Oza Kari happening health and Maruin minorities in both Hatabadi, Pangaga, Mire Webidi Adaba, Aduga Hanjan Adum, Mire Webiya, Lady Mayam, state you in a suatuga, a parliamentary election is a Mutingari, Kari, Tobia and can be.
Me, Mayamna, Tom Haina Rishini, politician already, Dom Pungan the Ngangbay, Pungan the Ngang Hainako. I quite the politician or the MP card ribnina, I did Punga have a Pungang, but I toning there. Adoga Yam the Nanglaga Horin Tapak when a Totopa Namloid of Su Targata de Adom Tajabio, Tabak when a Utpakanda, Madu the mean in Sangada, Madu the Tajagadabane, I know point Amani Telebna, Tamjaning with the idea, point the Chake, Shang the Loroy. Number one, the minorities issue Lakpado, Jumi, Masi. Aquagi Manipur the Hujik lady, but system as in the knee. Aduna system as a queen of Hongbang Matamda changes Tobong Matamda, minority, majority, hyperleroy. Aduna number one, the step must say, Masaki feel to be ado system as a Hondoxe. Example, when election lag Pakanda, as mine a platform Piraga, I quay Pajana Pan the leader way be abado, Madugi Ngangba Sakpa like United States of America Kumna. I quay platform Piraga Totaba. Muscle power, money power, force power na tauriba kita magta high riba aduloy na tokpani. Aduna minorities adu ada lebataradil akwel first akwagi system ase chumthokse. Aduna achumba haine adu achumba se aingondegi nangondegi hawgadabani. Aduna aina request tawjari masipuna magse mukta se aradi election ki matangda force sijinariba adu tokpiro hojik force sijinaraga campaign toriba mayam da tokpiro platform da patana nganaraga let the people decide. This is the first step for changing the system. I request on I don't want to mention any party, anybody, but be careful. This is very important. One, election da Manipur Praja Mayamna Paisada Haina Chatpaki Tamakta minority ki mi kaya leader Apapa Kaya lay. Tribe api people ki mi kaya Apapa lay. Adu Mokinangam Kidabado. Money power na Taukibagini. Let us change our system. Adugas nesta health problem, health section, Hyper City MP Karakanda, Policia ma draft or Shemla Kanda, state government ga Magi, Lady MP Duga, government Duga, Equagi, Policia ma Shemba Kanda, Equagi, Ahomba Madu Purapangam Gadabane. Otherwise, Maduna Karishu Oiloi, Hyper Thank you.
Action speaks louder than words. Tapon Udki Haba, Ozaka Sankasari Wapni. JDU ki wajah hangkan pau gisu tentang na hitaret matam si selekta nomor mo question logo dosu me am dari tian na thambiru hitaret line amani da
ojeki ki question da health issue sidi yamna thamoi so na yamle MLA amasung minister ama oiragasu akoi ki mot che sarkar ki manung da akoi ne share to ba kada su lobby ram da ba ek shock oiba mayam male adu makai do khanglak patagini honesty chenba clean image leiba people's love and concern practical oiba Nitish Kumar ji gi wakhan lon asina Bihar gi chinena any health sector da problem leite Hidak pifam thok ina phange ai chat laga hai phet yeng thok rabane free da pham thok bakhara do loina ma free oi de ba sume ba du pham thok bakhara free da pi ge do ba haina hospital swagi jenims ta su oi be jai rims ta su oi be jai chochan puri su oi be jai phang de ba karai chak ram no khang ngam de ba da gi kanam ta ka samna ro roi a kari hai ba lam ok kum na to ro ge hai be bakhar ma lai Natragadi Yarroy do, share Torel Lobby there. Ayambagi majority you are the Chatle, passed over a quaggy voice here to be there. Minority Obegira, a tribe of Obegira Hybakan, can't but Lake Tabanate now.
So now what shall be done?
Aduna, I would like to form ZDU government under the control of and advice of Nitish Kumar ji.
Okay, JDU government
second.
Okay, health issues solved already. Okay. The minority problem.
Minority problems politically at the legislature level, let MLC be formulated. MLC, Member of Legislative Council, where minorities are accommodated politically at the MLA level. Otherwise, no pie. It is based on vote. Second, at the district council level, let that two nominee be increased to 5 or 6 for satisfaction, and in municipal or whatsoever there.
Okay, thank you so much. Mathang si, housing Yaubirakpa BJP ki outer Manipur parliamentary constituency ki mere ibiriba oja, mayamna Benjamin Mate henu sukhangna riba, haulim sokopao Mate, lengsim birakli oja, oja koi session nama pura char khreya tu oja Yaubirakta ngari binina, koi even sessions I have already started opening to the audience question lawu hauser bne tu ai makhata na audience ta session ringa da oja gi maram da su mafam asida leibiriba miyam aduga ISTV amadi impact bi khothang da yum da phamduna TV di engiriba miyam da oja si kanano oja gi maram da brief bio macha tentak na aduga oja na karige da mata mikhal sida contest obirapono mai palko targati kari tawge khanba gist haitare summary wena tentak na thamir haitare oja Benjamin Mate BJP outer Manipur parliamentary constituency ki candidate.
Hi friends, I'm very sorry for keep you waiting, and I was attending to some public meeting. Because of that I was late for today's event. I'm basically from Tignapol village, which is between Infal and Moreh, and I hope everyone of you know about my village. And then I started my career as student activist and also a human rights activist In 2010, I represented minorities of India in United Nations and Third Forum on Minority Issue. And then right after that, I feel like instead of being a pressure group, I have to enter the system to change something. So I joined this electoral politics, and I was the state vice president of Trinamool Congress. And then after that, I joined BJP in 2014 as state vice president of BJP ST Morcha. And then again, I become the spokesperson of BJP Manipur, and I become the vice president. Briefly, I would like to put that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Oja. Mathang si makata na ay discussion si floor da open tok jage senior citizen ki table da mic se lere marabudona ay question hang nabi tanja si senior citizen pi jage Oja hang question amma khatang hang biyo aduga Oja koi panelist mangana kum nabi tanja du pi jage Oja aduga specific candidate lere ka di madu su kai di Oja
ai giming Dhiraj Yumna ai Shall Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur ki activist amani
Oja mic kitang nakshan biyo Oja
Hajik library ba aspiring MPs yar ko MP ki candidate sing aina hajak dori basi lawmaker hana oi kraba ibung hangkan pau yam nungai jai at least Manipur ki ay kitang objective si karpi jage atay di fresh candidate ngakta ni ay khanjai adu Manipur si sab tawraba as a minister abo ina sab tawraba ay basi Manipur ki total population bu amato ina khan graba my welfare the involved tawraba ni pamani adu ay specific question is issue Mr. Kanpao da laktori bani ate issue adum kumbiu adubu logi beenda amatang handok sar ga in handoi wafam se da confusion laktor bani scheduled tribe have si aikoina anthropology da social anthropology da sociology da high river tribe have do not be masti constitution appear meaning ni it is purely an administrative term simi ya bi ga bani constitution da su scheduled tribe ki definition late asing makai no khangdi adu supreme court ki judgment amana scheduled tribe have say indigenous people when haidana clearly high and by definition under the constitution I go just scheduled tribe say indigenous people ni haidana lawi maite yesi Manipur ki indigenous people ne have say ngasai bungo Dr. Lorhon haibigre adu I go officially constitutionally Tangai Shamko indigenous people have say recognition Pangriba community amana. Was Yamlai team never. Now, Lairiba outer constituency the sizable voters population Oiriba constitution Nipan. Ngasi Maripurda Lairiba burning issues by Embassy Marta to us as a campaigner for this issue. Mashita self tribe issues na quite an important issue in Aduna Adu Matata Aikoigi internal assessment Aikoigi Maitei constituency Lairiba populated Oiriba majority of Oiriba constituency Nipanta so on the population Lehuriba and I say high people matamda high ribbon Nipana Sugi aspire to Ziriba Aikoigi part Amoina Makoi shall tribe pa or by say Aikoina not less than 80% Nipan and Loba constitution Nipan Sugi the Mata Karium Amapok Bandikiteba so Aduna Masi Matanga Hangishan Akoigi candidate Kudimangna in the best interest of brotherhood, sisterhood, kinship, and common parental Lajaba siblings Nehan Kanbiraga, Akoishi, Jingtam, Amatani Habagi, the Ubi de Harakanda, my think that's a tribe, list of people say, my day of few Amatandi. Very short.
Okay, thank you so much, Oja. Oja hanggan pau da hana lak jage tuga matang mayam da lak jage Oja hana minister su oibir mamni na question si Oja da lak jage maitai in the ST list of Indian Constitution sida kari wahum thambiningi kaino the ST have a administrative term am khangni huzik lai riba constitution ki miyang diang target this is not at all an anthropological term adu itargadi administrative term oiba targadi madugi administration tu nungai na bidam ta mayam si amaga cohesive le ne bidam ta why not meet the diesel drive list?
Yeah. Mean the message is sensitive issue ne hai na ki nahi ko. It is not sensitive issue. She say Manipur state ki oiba taragadi scheduled tribe demand committee hai ba malere. So the namaki scheduled tribe demand committee na demand tawzari se. Je chang supporting kari kara documentary so the na leram do edi ude ko. So the na leram do ri ni. Chumba chumda ba hai ba ma examine to batai. Madu karai the karigi level the examine to do ri buno heraga state ki cabinet level the examine to ba. The state cabinet should decide. Let this be examined legally, officially, and give it to pass on to another select committee or expert committee, anthropological, whatsoever. Kansan leram ganiaba. I think some lines kaya thijan da badina kada. Ya kisidi any issue lakomatamda as a minister, I have to apply the vision and take the decision and to advise and then take decision. Adu issue lakomatamda do this. Just send out there, let them put up the report, and then we will decide which one is right, which one is wrong. Sineba minister ki thabak se. Modu do state sarkar na moina discuss to urabra to dabra ek ta de. This should be discussed. If not, pending to dun lerega marmarak sila mi khanara khaneba. Someone demand, someone looks like protesting. Let them decide. Let them discuss it. Decide, and if it is competent to be recognized and they forward it. If not, then let them be made aware. This is not, then ever.
Okay.
Should not be kept. These are crucial sensitive. It will be bursting one day. It will bursting, only inviting trouble, communal disharmony, misunderstanding. Keeping pending things on the table of the cabinet by the decision-making body is very dangerous. Because of that, I have said, I'm shocked in some particular issues during my ministership. So, it is good that under his leadership, Nitish Kumar leadership, who don't want to keep pending anything, and I myself may be one, then it should be taken up immediately. No pending things should be, issues should not be keep pending for a long time, unnecessarily.
Okay, thank you so much.
It will burst.
Aduposa, what is your stand? What is your stand? Siki Civil Tribe demand ki matang.
My stand is the concerned authorities should take immediate action, whatsoever it is.
Manipur government ke court le rahe since 2013 Congress ki government ki matam
Don't keep it pending. We
Congress ki
don't
matam
expert.
CL aage lai rabane socio-economic report amadi anthropological report thagat piro aduga ST list chanba yabe adwa khana shabani lenga anu basul ay mamang ki sutar amdre hojiki suta udran leiri. Let's see adugo hojiki onadi candidates sina mai pala matungda high issue si karam na lor kadage haibagi answer doni pamjari se oza asang karsa lagse oza kari happening. What's your stand about?
I think it is not right time to answer because election is going to held, very soon.
Okay.
And akoina si de kaino ne na pa yaroi adu campaign chat pat matamda akoi ki commitment mayam na ujagani. We need to look the party's manifesto. Aduga masi masi ki kaino tawgada basidi party adu karamba party no role do we have experience for the last many years. This is important. Aduna huji hairi bu issue do fresh waina hangba tarasu hana karamba party na government palambra adu understanding tobio. Aduga huji ki tribe demand committee ki topic lapa kanda masi consensusly phajanang naina ba machange all the stakeholders work together and understand together. Okay. Aduna important. Aduna if haininge ichino gi marak to su krana masi yaning de ba kampusu dum laita banate lady let your people decide first. Aina hainim didok aina haining badiko. Ichino mai te marak ta masi chumde hai ba kampusu yaw de banate. To be very frank. Maramaduna hojik national party adu karamba rolori national party sinakari tauri oje agi kaino tawbanate asai ge NPF candidate na haijare hoy adu candidate ama oibne na politician oibne na vote bank itama hairam bayai but this in regarding this matter NPF cannot do City point have on it. The higher authority will never allow. To be very frank. Aduna, aina anybody. It's not right time to answer.
Okay, it's not right time.
Political party the chat pio. Party the chat pio. Party the decide to.
Stakeholders mayam ga discuss orga masigi matang da yana bom por mathok tari habi wahum duni. Ay oja lor hodal lagi oja. Kari wahum thaminingi. ST demand for Maitai and your stand.
I have to stand there. I know the truth. Achumba du khango. Achumba du na akoibo freedom pibigini habisni. Thank you.
Okay, know the truth. Asumba karino. And achumba si relative work pa amana hayo na chummi haiba amana chummi habi wahum sulakuni na. Ay oja kasung dalati oja James kasung. Congress state government ki matam da 2013 dagi already center dagi chiya la laikra bani Congress na su doram dare hujik. Anuba BJP led government na su pangtok na leri oja ki kari stand levi.
Thank you. Thank you. Akwegi AICC ki akwegi Honorable President Rahul Gandhi ji na Manipur Mars ki tangkunda laki mana kari akwegi kari promise dorame Manipur ki state ki culture manghaloi Manipur ki integrity manghaloi Manipur ki language amta thukai roi se mana yam chauna commitment magi new leadership lobo mata na masi Manipur majada akwegi party da yam chauna thambikre ai opinion de masi se yamna akwena ngangbada masi akwena definite answer piba ngamoi adubu council minister hojiki puriba sina expert leriba professional leriba mayam loina mak masi se aphawa oiro phato oiro mayam si pusimbire hairaga moi bu debate amato hanba leriba chin oiro tam oiro moi gi expert mayam si pusilaga karamana masi se chumra haibdo masi se tanare hairaga council la masi se action lobby ba council of ministers sina hana masi se lobby drabadi as a MP mana masi opinion si hek piba da masi haze aduna first let the stakeholder council ministers should decide on the table by inviting a learners person and expert committee so that it will come to the truth. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much Oja. Matang jai Oja Benjamin Mathe dalak jai Oja. Government si continuous process ne hai aduna handak Congress na maral mayam si rehe tare BJP da. Akoi na hawdom ba initiator mathabuk mayam do hoji ana upaga mensina loi sanga le re mathang jai sanga bu loi roi hari. Government amu aduri government the continuous process ne adum to bata bani no no islam do khone lo islam bani hai 2013 da center the state government la akhra bani lo islam na adum lo sangre hoji ana government la loisan gida ba thabak amani makoi so loislam dabni na continuous process amu ibni na koi so dum loisan na loisan gidori bra kari hum thambini what is your stand about scheduled tribe demand for Maitai?
I think, as most speaker have, most of our fellow colleague has already given their suggestion. Actually, it is still pretty premature to comment on this because the thing is still in the table of the state government. Let the state government first decide whether they should recommend recognition of Maitai scheduled tribe. Adu matungda central so mayam leiri Registrar General of India ate mayam leiri banina adugi expert committee na recommend toba haibududi adudi hoina as a person in opposed to dresu kanaroi aduga support dresu kanaroi aduna the matter lies with the state government as well as committee.
Okay, thank you so much, Oja Benjamin Mathe. Oja, angkan pau mahai kibas. ST demand for Maitai is yam sensitive. Oi they have to ultimately sensitive. Or mamal, yam diplomatic answer live. Matang say lawyers ki desk talak sige question amma. Only one question.
My name is Ashim. I'm a social activist and also a member of Legislative Watch Ukrul. I would direct my question to Mr. Ashang Kasar. Since your vision is based on addressing area-specific grievances, my question would be, unlike any other state in the country, Manipur state is neither in the 5th schedule nor in the 6th schedule. Autonomous District Council of Manipur was constituted without much autonomy. As you represent our voices, how would you address this in the parliament? How would you take our voice to the parliament? Thank you.
Thank you for the question. Toposu tumtaningai, let me speak in Manipuri dialect. Assamda hairiba constitution na provision piba. Former India ki President V.V. Giri madugi kaino mayam charter mayam report mayam akoina pajaba phange. Mizoram da hairiba implement tawe, Nagaland da yai, Arunachal Pradesh da yai. Maramaduna, why not in Manipur? Ado dia dum leijare. Aduna akoi India manung da panmina banena constitution na yaba pot provincial leikhra pot to the akoi let us try to implement in the interest of the public. Asi ai thamjage. Aduga masi implement tawningai honaba matamdang say, as I have mentioned previous, regional party is a very needed. This is very must. Aduna regional party haibakanda akoi hingbang amoy haibolom da thambignu. Meghalaya da regional party na run tauri rule tauri Mizoram, Nagaland, aduga Southern India, Madras, Atotopa, West Bengal. Akoi national party ki philosophy concept da chabakanda. All the policies and the issues still are keep pending, and we cannot implement. This is the factor. That's why I nang sa haibado adu agitamak ta a regional party da changbani. The regional party ama webin na chap chana madu fight tawang ngamgani. Adu na masi provincial da laigraba port India constitution na yaba port to the stakeholders singa tanaraga yanaba makhada akoi implement tawgani. Tawbuda madu keshu kaide. Whether maite that interest or Naga or Kuki interest. If the provision is a law, or if the constitution is a law, then why should we not? But let us, first, we need to sit together. Cindy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Oja Kasar. Siki question se dai Oja Loro dasu lakchar ngi Oja. Sixth schedule implement taurga chatpa, or with ADCs with bigger autonomy. Karamba, which way is better for Manipur?
Hojikti aki wakanda di sixth schedule siyam applicable oidra Brian Khalli. Maram di mapam atay da territorial council hena challa panina. Maduna hena power leba hena autonomy leba mapam da leire. Maduna madugumba hena awang ba thak da chatpa matam oire. Matam amma da sixth schedule si piu hena harame madubu madupi da bado kanano haraka Manipur sarkar no oram gadran Khalli. Maram di with local adjustment hena harakpa matam da sixth schedule ki provision da lob thuaga madu lob thuaga district council mayam sida power si pi bisi matik chana pi kidre madu ki damakta matam yam kuina madu demand ta budagi chahi kunmuk district council si ban function ta dunur lairame da hojikti amuka tawra adubu election years so oira pnina sixth schedule deki hena achauba territorial council masi implement ta matam moire.
Okay, Oja James Kasum dasu laksagi. Congress ki nahan phong kiba kugi portfolio they have manifesto lamai yang mga panba manifesto da phongdo ki basi ADC sing se marin northeast ki ADC sing se da yam chaw ba autonomy pinim ko ki damakta mo ko fine ga se kare hengalang ani happy wahum thajo mayam pigre kari wahum thaminingi ko ADC as far as ADCs in Manipur is concerned.
Thank you. ADC concerned the hygienic Malay Madi Karikumba Equigi local ki MLA do Magi was area su Sobumatamda Magi Mahut Magi area do coverage or Mutamda ADC member Amana Initiative Diplomacy Masipai Katpani Aduna Masiki Equi Hojik Hajariba Council Magi Power CPB Tarabdi Magi Lecture do meaning amata lejate adunina masigi council se ekwi atomna district council se hena masi chokhat piba marandi hill se yang was area wele ekwi as plain area dati ekwi every town council ekwi councilor kumba lebinina adu chingde dia du kumba thambi da banina district amada yamda mileage se yamna radiation se yang sangna lebinina masisi power pibati kanagani hai na open punta
okay hen power people empower to mathak tari mathang se oja hangar pau dos lakchi oja ADCs Manipur the relevant oidre na khan bi brana traga ADCs se muthala kan sai ATC on autonomous territorial council hen phani khan bi bra otherwise ADCs can be improved.
ADC से मुझे की पावर से याम चावरबने Manipur state government last time previous government 2009 2010 the power se kam kan wang na pi bane adobo pi riba power do phajana sinnabra sinnadabra haibagi wakpham se adum lei madu power do phajana piram magade sik schedule kari kragi wa hoje ki oja lorona haiba goina hendum hen labra haina khalle adobo moi jam haraude adage hoje ki asida territorial council haiba kambu issue masulai kari kari tobra si sing sisu egi wakhana de party acho bo sing sina demand pangto to han ba man ba 1000 laga ko asini ro si pi ge baram de vote phangna ba moi ge agenda man ba ko ge jingi issue magra oi de bra khangak tre confusion han le the pdp roi do ba na vote phangna ba ge 1000 ba memorandum asi tharo ne thai ba adu do lang thak bogum sum torga khoi gumna sum jingna ba horen narenda last campaign dor ado pdp ro da chahi manga uwa to ringa chahi manga amu lak to ri ba sigum ba su thaja ba yam le ri ye liching gi leader ne hai na ko thaja ra ga dom pdp ya da na ma or nong mei ma ton da nam na lo to ri ba gi shin ba ma su chat li ye
okay
ye nga si adu bo khoi moi na to bo ni na nong mei ma ton da ki de ba kana su le de bo to lo ba su jai kana gum ba su karak pa jai adu bo 2024 da mas hojik ki stage da ki improvement kari lebra hai da utang yeng se
okay benjamin mate su la che goja territorial council gumbagi idea si adc leina masi pi na baki masin hen phai habi wakhalon bhelisi acho political maru ina bjp den ngai hin to gre se oja hangkan pauna kari habi ningi is bjp responsible for bringing out a concept called territorial council previous one also kari habi bigger parties
Asidi yambasi hoigi jingi schedule hoigi 6 schedule phangde aduga adu da demand lakpu mayam sidi congress ki good governance ki legacy eduna ithamjaningi because they have been power for more than 50 years so it is their legacy and not that congress wanda in a chaining ba inataba aduga 6 schedule ayo ngasai madam na question hanglapan na haibugumna ekhoi assam da moina 6 schedule thami aduga Nagaland da article 371 a ko a lay aduga manipur article 371 c lay article 371 c makha da ekhoi hilera committee lay aduga sida ekhoi gi manadaba amana 6 schedule haibisidi moi gi financial autonomy lay ngasai 6 schedule ma pung phade ekhoi district council ma pung phade financial adugi part to ni aduna hoiksi 1971 da hoigi manipur district council act amend tawraga adu makha do da hilera committee makha da adu thambi bani adu bo ekhoina in course of time asi strengthen tawda di yade aduna hoiksi 6 adu mak natarasu moigi power do yaradi state ki every department da budget si khara earmark tawbiraga moisi in power tawdradi hoigi ekhoi 6 hoigi district council khaktanate panchayat leireba simayam sidi ekhoi centralization process lakpani so that government ki scheme lakpa mayam do decentralized oraga ekhoi doorstep da oraga deserving people the yona naba the government ki system mani it is not about communal aduda gi wanati aduna asigumba sidi we have to strengthen local bodies ekhoi develop voice hai de kungan chawa jan se the local bodies strengthen doga not only in the context of hill district as well as we ekhoi tampak da leiriba local bodies strengthen do no ba ekhoi su mayam na nung siraga mp boy la de ekhoi na su kanna sige restore kani hai bese thamjaning thank you
adu handa ki congress ki manifesto da adc singsi hana empower taroni fund ningthina piragani habi opum sina sigi problem se solve to ngamni khambi bakari habi ngadai tu
are who took congress seriously these days come on
okay who took congress seriously oza who took congress seriously bjp na hangbo question